Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. A weak password is an open invitation for hackers. They can steal your identity, drain your bank account, or hold your data hostage. Think of your password as the key to your house. You wouldn't leave your house unlocked, would you? The same principle applies to your online accounts. Strong passwords are essential. They are long, complex, and unique. Don't use easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. Remember, your password is your first line of defense against cyber attacks. Protect it fiercely. Password cracking is the art of uncovering hidden passwords. Hackers use various techniques to break through security measures. This can be done for malicious purposes, like stealing data. One common method is brute forcing. It involves trying every possible combination of characters until the password is found. This can take time, but with powerful tools, it can be surprisingly effective. Another technique is using dictionaries. Hackers use lists of common passwords and their variations. They test these against accounts, hoping for a match. Understanding how password cracking works is crucial. It helps us build stronger defenses and protect our digital assets. Hydra is a powerful password cracking tool used by security professionals and hackers alike. It's a versatile tool that can target various protocols and services. Hydra works by automating login attempts. It tries different username and password combinations against a target system. It continues this process until it finds a match or exhausts all possibilities. Hydra is known for its speed and efficiency. It can test thousands of combinations per second, making it effective for cracking weak or commonly used passwords. Remember, while Hydra is a powerful tool, it should be used ethically and responsibly. Before diving into the world of password cracking, you need the right tools. Kali Linux is a Debian-based operating system designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It comes pre-installed with a suite of security tools, including Hydra. To install Kali Linux, you'll need a bootable USB drive or CD. Download the Kali Linux ISO file from the official website and use a tool like Rufus to create a bootable drive. Once you have your bootable media, you can install Kali Linux on a virtual machine or a spare computer. Hydra is usually pre-installed in Kali Linux. To verify its installation, open the terminal and type Hydra /H. This command will display the Hydra help menu, confirming its installation. Now you have the tools, let's move on to cracking your first password. Section 5, Your First Crack, a step-by-step guide. Now let's walk through cracking a password using Hydra, a powerful tool for brute force attacks. For this example, we'll target a simple FTP server set up in a controlled environment. This ensures that our activities are ethical and legal. First, you need to identify the target system and the service you want to crack. This involves scanning the network and pinpointing the specific machine. In this case, we'll use a local FTP server running on the IP address 192.168.1.100. This is a common setup for testing purposes. Next, gather information about the target. This step is crucial as it helps in crafting an effective attack strategy. This includes the IP address, port number, and any known usernames. These details are essential for configuring Hydra correctly. For our example, the FTP server runs on the default port 21 and the username is user. These are typical default settings for many FTP servers. Now let's craft the Hydra command. Hydra luser pur share wordless rocku.txt ftpp 192.168.100. This command tells Hydra to use the specified word list against the FTP server. Let's break down the command. The L flag specifies the username, the P flag points to the word list, and the target is the FTP server at the given IP address. Execute the command in the Kali Linux terminal. This is where Hydra will start its brute force attack. Hydra will start trying different passwords from the word list against the FTP server. This process can take some time depending on the complexity of the password. If Hydra finds a match, it will display the cracked password on the screen. This indicates that the password has been successfully cracked. You can then use this password to access the target system. This demonstrates the power and potential of Hydra in password cracking. Remember, this is a basic example. Real-world scenarios often involve more sophisticated defenses and require advanced techniques. Real-world scenarios can be more complex, requiring additional techniques and customizations. Always ensure your activities are ethical and within legal boundaries. Section 6. Advanced Techniques. Elevating your cracking game. As you become more comfortable with Hydra, you can explore advanced techniques to enhance your cracking capabilities. These techniques can significantly improve your efficiency and success rate in password cracking. Brute forcing involves trying every possible combination of characters. This method is straightforward but can be very time-consuming, especially for longer passwords. While time-consuming, it can be effective for short passwords. Patience is key when using brute force attacks, as the process can take hours or even days. Hydra allows you to specify character sets and password length for customized brute forcing. This customization can help narrow down the possibilities and speed up the cracking process. Word lists are lists of commonly used passwords. They are a valuable resource for password cracking, as many users tend to use predictable passwords. You can create your own word lists or modify existing ones to increase their effectiveness. Tailoring word lists to your target can significantly improve your chances of success. Tools like John the Ripper offer advanced word list manipulation capabilities. These tools can help you refine your word lists and make your cracking attempts more efficient. Rainbow tables are pre-computed tables that store hash values for a massive range of passwords. They are particularly useful for cracking hashed passwords quickly. They speed up the cracking process by eliminating the need to compute hash values repeatedly. This can save a significant amount of time and computational resources. Sometimes, password cracking is not about brute forcing passwords, but exploiting system vulnerabilities. Identifying weak points in a system can provide alternative ways to gain access. Tools like Metasploit can help identify and exploit these vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access. By understanding and utilizing these advanced techniques, you can elevate your cracking game to a whole new level. Section 7. The Ethical Hacker, a Code of Conduct. With great power comes great responsibility. As you delve into the world of password cracking, it's crucial to uphold ethical hacking principles. Always obtain explicit permission before attempting to crack passwords on any system. Unauthorized access is illegal and unethical. Treat any data you access with respect and confidentiality. Do not disclose or misuse any sensitive information. If you discover any vulnerabilities during your testing, report them to the system owner immediately. This allows them to patch the vulnerabilities and strengthen their security. Stay updated on the latest security threats and ethical hacking practices. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is essential. Section 8. Building Fort Knox. Best practices for secure passwords. Knowing how to crack passwords also teaches us how to build stronger defenses. Hackers often exploit weak passwords, so understanding their tactics can help us stay one step ahead. Here are some best practices for creating and maintaining secure passwords. These tips will help you protect your personal information and keep your accounts safe from unauthorized access. A longer password is harder to crack. Aim for at least 12 characters to ensure your password is robust. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This complexity makes it significantly more difficult for hackers to guess or brute force your password. Avoid using common phrases or patterns. Passwords like password123 or QWERTY are easily guessed and should be avoided at all costs. Instead, create random and unique passwords. Using a password generator can help you come up with strong, unpredictable passwords. Consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords securely. This tool can help you manage multiple passwords without the need to remember each one. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code from your phone. This additional step ensures that even if someone gets hold of your password, they still can't access your account without the second factor. Regularly change your passwords, especially for sensitive accounts. This practice limits the impact of a potential breach. If a breach does occur, changing your passwords promptly can prevent further unauthorized access. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. If one account is compromised, all your other accounts are at risk. By following these best practices, you can significantly enhance your online security and protect your personal information from cyber threats. Section 9. Responsible hacking, a final word. Password cracking is a powerful skill with the potential for both good and bad. As ethical hackers, we have a responsibility to use our knowledge for good, helping organizations strengthen their security and protect their data. Remember, the goal is not to exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain, but to identify and address them before malicious actors can. Let's work together to create a safer digital world. By understanding the techniques of password cracking, we can build stronger defenses and stay one step ahead of cyber criminals. Let's use this knowledge responsibly and ethically to make the digital world a safer